Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra, and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. Alright, so let's begin with a quick disclaimer. If you will change the wallpaper on this, let's say, small screen, it will not change on the, oh my god, on this screen. So you need to do it separately. I'll show it to you basically later on. The whole process is the same, but you need to do it, let's say, twice. All right, so let me first of all open the settings, and here we need to scroll and find the option Wallpaper and Style. Now you can either tap on this home screen or tap on Change Wallpapers, it doesn't really matter. And here we will be transferred to our wallpapers. Those are pre-installed here. Here you can create the wallpaper with AI. Again, pre-installed wallpapers. Here we've got also the services, so dynamic lock screen, Samsung Global Goals. You can get more wallpapers, so you can enter the themes, and if you're logged into your Samsung account, then you can download something from online wallpapers. Moreover, here you've got the section for your own gallery, so if you've got the photo that you'd like to apply as a wallpaper, you can do it right here. So let me choose, for example, this dog. And here you can decide where you want to apply the wallpaper, so the lock screen or home screen. And again, remember that it affects only this screen, not the one when you unfold the device. So let me tap on next. I will choose on both. Here, by tapping on home and lock, you can check the preview of both wallpapers, how they will look like when they are applied. So let me go to home. You've got the effects, so for example, you can change the colors, the original one. Here we've got the blur option, blur background, grayscale, etc. Here frame, so you can basically change the frame here. Just by tapping on the specific frame, you can change how it will look like. Of course, you can do it separately for the lock and the home screen if you want to, but it will, it will be applied to both. All right, so I will just leave it like this. All we need to do to confirm is to tap on done in the right upper corner. And as you can see here, we've got the information that changes have been applied to the lock screen and the home screen. We can go back and check. We've got this dog on the home screen. However, I just wanted to show you that even though we've just changed the wallpaper after opening the phone, we've got the old one applied here. And as I said, all you need to do is to go to the settings here in order to change the wallpaper. Also here, you need to go to the settings, change wallpapers, and just repeat all of the steps. So as you can see, we've got like completely two different devices if the device is opened and when it is closed. So that was just a quick disclaimer. All right, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.